Blindfold Junior.
Leave. They took him.
Okay, understood. Just lock it off. Oh wait, just leave it somewhere. He'll take it. Or leave it in the docks. Okay, do that. 2, right? 2 or 1? Which one? Okay, done. Do you want your car?
Yeah, I would.
I'm going to swap clothes really fast.
Yes.
Can you come near this one? Trash collecting place, HQ. Okay. No, trash. Garbage collector, HQ. that one. Okay.
हिटमैन हुआ मास्क का इंतजार तो मास्क ये तो लगा मास्क
Who's your
next enemy? We need to catch one by one every hour with our body. Yeah. Whoever messes it up. I think. Okay, your car is ready. Do you have any? I don't have any enemies as of now. Do you have any enemy? Not really. I'm not particularly scared of anyone. So if your car is going to come here, just pay Charlie and then lock it up.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just park it and lock it.
Oh, is it?
Is your car fully modified?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, let's
Thanks
take
so much,
give me
Charlie.
give me the keys to that then.
I don't have keys, I guess. आपके पास ही keys है.
Oh, yeah. हाँ जी.
Check कर एक बार.
Thank you so much, Charlie, for helping me at this time.
Okay, bye, see ya. मुझे drop करे ना?
How much?
450.
What's your ID?
412.
बाबा आ गए.
There you go. Did you get it?
Wait, I'll check it. No.
No?
No. Okay, give me a lot.
Oh, wait. I don't. Wait.
Yep, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give me the keys to your car. Please, this one.
You give me your keys. Vehicle keys.
Mine.
Yep. I need to go to docks back.
Shift Edge. Oh, for the neon. You're saying? Oh, nice. I didn't know के मेरे को पैसे नहीं थे इसलिए.
Hey, do you want me to drive?
Sure.
Give me the key.
First, you have to wash it.
Really?
Got it. Tripathi
Okay,
messaging
fine.
me. Why did you kill him?
Call Tripathi. Tell you want to meet alone.
He won't.
Won't come alone. It's okay, just tell him, listen, I'll give you the answer. Call him and tell him I will give you answers. Very nice. Oh, in my eyes, not happened. It's your eyes. Okay. Chill. It all depends on my eyes. Oh my god, this car is too powerful. I think we might die. Okay, I'll be a little careful. A message. Wow, very nice, Sashi. It's just 2 poles. Plus tree. Watch it now, behind.
Who the
I have no
fuck?
time for this.
Get in, brother.
Wait. Hello?
Yo, तुम लोग sudden break मारे थे, so I had to run into you guys.
मतलब no sorry, no nothing.
Yeah, I am telling you sorry. I said sorry.
He said sudden break. You want me to?
I wasn't even breaking.
Okay.
Nice one, brother. So much for a car. There was Mimmi inside. That's why I could have asked him to repair my car and give me back. Which is the wash in this? No, the petrol one, wala. Wah! This is what you wanted to do? Oh, yeah. Not bad. Looks good, huh? Not bad. So I don't know why you bought this car. I can't even control it. You can't even control, yeah. You want to race? No, you lost one little, like, remember? Huh? You lost one. Oh, you mean the one you cheated? Oh, yeah. Oh, the one, which one? No, the one we did with the police. The one we did with the police. Oh, you forgot that. It was like 1 day ago. You want to do it again? If only you knew how to race on the road. Can you call Tripathi again? I message him. Don't message, just call him and say, hey buddy, I want to talk to you. No, I'm not going to call him again and again. He doesn't even freaking care. I think it's time for one more parcel. Okay, tell Tripathi if he doesn't respond in another 3 minutes, we'll give one more lash. No, I'm not gonna give him another message. He did not respond. That means he doesn't care. That means one more parcel. Let's find one more parcel then. Catch Mimmi and we don't care anymore. No, Mimmi, no, Mimmi. Why? No, Mimmi. Soft spotter? Yeah. Why? No, we can take the driver one, but no Mimmi. Okay, catch him. Oh. हाँ, टेल्लू, कहाँ तुम? मैं और के बाद अगली बार. ओह, अच्छा, पंडित मिले तो बताना. Catch पंडित. पंडित को थोड़ा गुरु दक्षिणा देनी थी हमें. कितने वो तो दादा मेरे पास नहीं है. नहीं, वो तुम्हें नहीं दे सकते, वो नहीं दे सकते. हाँ, ठीक है. तो अपने जितने भी जानकार हैं पंडित जी का पता लगा देंगे. पंडित जी तो अभी उठाना है, टेंशन थोड़ी है. पंडित जी को बताना. हाँ. अभी उठाते हैं पंडित जी को. अभी एक मिनट. तुम अपने दांत ठीक कराओ पहले. कट. अरे महंगा वाला लगवाया है. अच्छा. अब तो प्लास करता है ना. हाँ. I don't think so, Tripathi said. Hello sir, hey Raj. Tripathi said, I don't think so. I think it's one more gift time. Tell me the reason, that's it, he's saying. Okay, don't. We'll send one more reason. Yeah. We'll tell him this is the reason. So, cop somewhere. Hello Zafar, what's up? Hello, कहाँ तुम? No, dogs me. Tell him to find you. Find Pandit. We are finding Pandit. Pandit को क्या? Find Pandit. I'll tell you later. Okay. Jareen called me today. Yeah, what's up? I don't know why he doesn't pick. Oh, hi Jareen. Yeah, what's up? Where are you? Who did he call? I'm at the docks in the dock. I'm at the garage in the... Oh, okay, after you do all your stuff, find Pandit. First priority. He's doing robbery. Sanjana, what do you mean? I don't have any stuff right now. I mean, find Pandit, that's it. Find Pandit? Yeah. But the guy with the golf club in the back? Yeah, that guy. Alright, cool. I'll look for him. Okay. What happened to your boy, Daddy Kai? He banged up on me. A gang member, anyway, they're not innocent. See that? Where will we find innocent people? Also, don't kill them, knock them out, okay? Yeah, I'm knocking them out, okay? We're not here to kill, we're only sending message. If you find an innocent, say, get in my trunk, I'll give you $1,000 and then we'll take them for a ride. No, we can't take him that way. Trust me, man, they got in voluntarily. Tell them to get in trunk, you'll give them $1,000 and they'll get in. Nobody will. Trust me, brother, everybody loves candy. You know,
we can't just randomly knock.
Hey, do you want to make $1,000?
Huh?
Want to make $1,000?
$1,000? Really?
We get in the trunk, I'll give you $1,000 right now.
Really?
Yes.
Tell me this is not a prank.
It's not a prank. I look at my car, it's a 300,000 car. You think I can't give you 1,000 just to get in the trunk?
Yeah, seems legit. Okay.
It's okay, everything will be fine.
Give me.
Your head down. Yes, I'll give you, don't worry. Just going to the bank up ahead. What? Scam, bhai. What else? For real though? RDM ho jayega. What are you sitting right there? I cannot see nothing. Do that. You're a very smart man. The fuck, bro? Papa, Mama always tell you don't.
Get out. Yes.
What?
Get out of the trunk.
Yeah, give me the money, man.
Said anything about money?
Oh my god.
You were saying, what is your name, young man?
Whoa, my name is Monkey.
Monkey.
Your actual name is Monkey?
Yes, sir. I have this ID card, man. Please don't hurt me.
Oh no. Oh no.
Well, like, bro.
I really love monkeys, but did you really think you would get $1,000?
Yes.
Haven't you heard of how bad this city is?
No, I know, but I got to make quick money, eh?
Alright, let me tell you what's going to happen. Okay? You're going to feel something on the back of your head. You're going to be completely safe after that, don't worry. Okay?
Please don't do
Nothing's
anything
going to happen.
to me.
Nothing's going to happen. Just a sharp knock on the back of your head.
No is not an option. Okay? No is not an option, monkey.
Go to sleep, little monkey. It's all going to be fine. Don't worry, I will I'll take good care of you.
Keep taking deep breaths. You're just going for a long nap and you will be fine in the next 10 minutes. Okay, just give me 1 second. भाई मैं ब्रेक मारता लग रहा है. I'll get banned, dude. We just knocked him, dude. We didn't hurt him. I think he's unconscious now. Yes, yes. So now you send the officer a message. And once we exit this, we'll try to leave the monkey on the roof and tell the officer that we have another present for you on the rooftop of Karachi, okay? Oh, okay, okay. And tell him to come east. No, how will... Okay. What? We can see the mentor. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Wait. Go down. Don't worry. Let's not complicate it. Monkey's just sleeping. He'll be completely fine. The government will take care of him. They'll give him a compensation. Monkey, this is the voice in your head talking. Make sure you take a compensation because you were lifted in front of a PD, okay? Drop him off Karachi entrance.
No,
And leave a message.
There are 2 entrances. No, they're gonna get confused.
They won't get confused. There is only 2 entrants. What are you saying? Stop them here and tell them to come fast. Tell him to come fast to get him. Tell him they've got 5 minutes before the monkey loses consciousness. Okay? Drop him. Monkey won't remember a thing.
Monkey, you'll be fine. Police gonna take care of you. Next time, there's no to Mr. Marlega. You'll be fine, okay? Maybe
Do you leave a message?
I'll do it.
Right
No, right now, tell him. Which are playing Legacy? Dog Studio, thank you for 40. No, nothing is safe area, dude. Dipping list, it's okay, boy. It's okay. God का पता नहीं यार. God देखते हैं पता नहीं. Rob the kidnapped person. Call करो क्या? Message का reply नहीं दे रहा third party. Yeah, I'll just send to police itself directly. Okay. Any other cops you can think of fast because he's there. He cannot stay there for more than 5 minutes. So we have to, oh, you want to drop him again? To the PD? Yeah, because there's nowhere else you can send your message. You have to get him because this is the second message. If he doesn't after this, then I'm sorry, brother. They don't give 2 fucks about you. Okay, there's a cop. There's a cop. You see him? There you go. Gift number 2. That's how we're gonna play this. Hello. मिला. Check कर लो. He's calling me. Don't pick up first time. Wait for 2-3 calls. Don't pick up now. Play the long game. Make him message. Professor. Okay, you saw the gift. Time to get out. Too much stress.
I think I need a pack of cigarettes. Too much stress.
Ujjwal, thank you for the 40.